languages battle this time in Bihar, now the father of Rinkia in Bihar. Rinkia's father, that is Manoj Tiwari, is now in Bihar. Manoj Tiwari has reached Bihar to campaign after sinking BJP's name in Delhi Assembly elections. Nobody has forgotten the Delhi Assembly elections held recently. At that time, Manoj Tiwari was responsible for BJP win as he was the face in Delhi elections. But later, it became the responsibility of the BJP to cross the channel to win in the Delhi elections. This is the only mistake from BJP that gave them a huge blow. BJP felt that a man who can win the heart of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar by singing the song like Rinkia Ke Papa can also bring Delhi election in their favor. But this same person became a sore throat of BJP. At that time, Manoj Tiwari was the name of party's CM post. The educated, high-class, modern voters of Delhi could not digest this funny style of the BJP party. Now it seems that BJP did not learn any lesson after seeing the condition in Delhi and has sent Manoj Tiwari to Bihar for campaigning. But it can't be forgotten that Prashant Kishore, who gave Manoj Tiwari and BJP the mantra, is already in Bihar. It is now feared that following the path set by Prashant Kishore, like he did for Arvind Kejriwal, it can put Manoj silently at home, as Bihar may not witness huge win for BJP.